So hello students, today we are going to read chapter 1 of civics class 9. The name of the chapter is What is democracy? Why democracy? So what I think that you would have surely heard the word democracy before in your life. In earlier classes as well we have read about democracy. Yeah, you have now. In class 8 and 7 and 6, from class 6 onwards we are studying. So in this chapter we will be going to know about democracy in detail, in more expandable way, in more conceptual way. Okay, so we will be going to know it very deeply. Not much, but still we will be going to know it. So overview of this chapter is given on the first page of this chapter. So let's first complete it out that. So we will be going to read in this chapter what is democracy, what are its features, and this chapter builds on a simple definition of democracy. In this chapter we will be going to read step by step, words by words we will be understanding the meaning of the word democracy. The aim here is to understand clearly the minimum features of the democratic form of government. In this chapter, the aim of this chapter is to make you all understand the minimum features, all the features of the democratic form of government. That is why here it is, you will be told word by word, you will be explained word by word. Means if the definition of the word democracy is there, so each word you will be defined. Okay, so after going through this chapter we should be able to distinguish between a democratic form of government and a non-democratic form of government. Towards at the end of this chapter we will be introduced to a broader idea of democracy. And at the last it is written, democracy is the most prevalent form of government. We all know this. Most of the countries in today's time are having democratic form of government. You all know this. And why is it so? Most of the countries are even changing from dictated country to democratic country, from monarchy to democratic country. Nepal in recent years, means 2001 and at that time 2007, they revolted, they asked for this, that we want a democratic form of government. So why people want democratic form of government? Why is it expanding to too many countries? So in this chapter we will be going to read the same. What makes it different from other form of government? Why is it different from other forms of government? And that is the big question that we take in this chapter. Okay, we will be going to read this. Okay, let's start. So before coming to the definition of this word democracy, first let us know from where the word democracy has come from. So basically the word democracy has come from the two words demos and kratia. Demos refers to people and kratia refers to rule. So simply the meaning of these two words when combined together means people's rule, and that is why it happens in real life as well. So with these two words we can easily understand the meaning of the word democracy. Now coming to the definition of democracy. Now coming to the word democracy's definition. The definition of democracy simply comes from the word democracy itself. So a form of government in which people elect their representatives by the principle of universal adult franchise. You all know what is universal adult franchise? If you don't know, I know many of you know. So if you don't know, The principle of universal adult franchisee refers to a form of state in which all the people who are of above 18 age or who are of 18 age are eligible to cast their vote and vote for their representative or vote for anyone or whosoever they want. So that is what principle of universal adult franchisee. Anyone who is of 18 years old or above 18 years old can vote, is eligible. So now we have understood what is the definition of democracy, from where the word democracy has come from. Now coming to the text, we will be going to understand what more is given about democracy. So if you liked our video, comment, share and subscribe the channel, and please guys comment, you all do, because so only then I'll be knowing that what do you want or what mistakes if I'm making, so I can correct upon that, and I'll try my best to give you the best. And for more videos I'll be going to upload. So for that, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you all of you.